Hello friends, in this video we'll be talking about another strategy, another trading system that goes by the name Iron Butterfly. So we received a lot of requests that how we can create an Iron Butterfly trading bot in the US markets. So right now, as you can see that I am logged into my SpeedBot account. Now if I go to the option bot builder, and over here, let me just name it as Iron Butterfly bot. So I'll be able to create the bot on these set of symbols. Just to keep things easier, let us go with the index option. Now, let's keep the things as simple as possible. So for traders who understand what Iron Butterfly is, so it consists of 4 legs, 2 buy legs and 2 sell legs. So it is a combination of total 4 legs. So rather than adding all of the legs on individual basis, over here SpeedBot has got the template ready. That is, if you click on this Iron Fly button, that also signifies the Iron Butterfly. So you'll be able to see a pop-up. So whether you'd like to short the Iron Butterfly or would you like to long it? That means that if you're shorting an Iron Butterfly, that means that it would be shorting 2 contracts of call and put. At the ATM, you can select another strike. So above the ATM, we have the ITMs, the in the money strikes. Below that, we have the out of the money strikes. And above that, we have the OTM put and the OTM call option. Whether we would like to have it for the current week expiry, next week expiry, I'll be able to do that for how many lots. If I click on the apply template, like this. So this is the template that is added in my set S1. So like I mentioned, the Iron Butterfly consists of 4 legs, leg 1, leg 2, leg 3, and then leg 4. So I've added the foundation of the Iron Butterfly bot. Now whether I would like to check the conditions from 9:35 every day or at 9:35 EST, that is the Eastern Standard Time that we follow. And I can also mention the stop loss in terms of absolute value. Let's say that if my stop loss hits a $20 mark, then I would like to just get out of the strategy. And if I'm making a profit of around $100 a day, then I'll be getting out with the profit. So that is how I can define my strategy stop loss and strategy target profit for the Iron Butterfly bot that we have made. And once I click on save and continue, I can define the initial capital. Once I click on the save button, now the bot is ready to be deployed. If I navigate to the all bots section, so over here, I can go live with that. I can deploy it into my trading account like this. For how much duration would I like to trade the bot? The multiplier needs to be set. Now it is live, as you can see 4 seconds ago. So this is how you can create your own Iron Butterfly bot. If you have any concerns regarding this or if you have any suggestions, we'll be happy to help you out. You can reach out to us in the comment section below and we'll be happy to answer them. I hope you understood how you can create your Iron Butterfly bot in this video. So thank you for watching this and I hope to see you in the next one.